Come with me as I venture off to explore the 7 Rila lakes during winter. Located 2,500 metres above sea level in Rila National Park, the 7 Rila Lakes is a popular tourist hiking route. I started the route by taking a cable cart up to the top of the mountain. It costs roughly €10 and takes around 10 to 15 minutes. There is an option to walk to the start of the route, however, I much preferred having the time to sit back, relax and enjoy the magical panoramic views from above. Once off the cable cart, the group and I put on our snowshoes ready for the hike. The full trail itself is approximately 10 kilometres long. Due to the weather conditions this day, I was well aware we probably wouldn't complete the whole route. This offers truly beautiful views. It wasn't long until the fog rolled in, limiting our visibility. As a group, we decided to press on under the leadership of our guide to the second lake. The hike to the second lake required us to walk further through the mountains, heading into the abyss. Along our hike, we came across a bothy used as a shelter during bad weather. As we ascended up the mountain, we were kept on track by the black and yellow poles located on the right-hand side. This part of the hike was truly humbling. The video doesn't show it, but it felt incredibly steep. I also found it difficult to find the grip on the ice, which had frozen over the snow. As the group went on ahead, I realised there was no way I was going to make it over the top of the mountain onto the other side. Thankfully, I wasn't the only one who found it difficult. In the end, our guide made the executive decision for us to head back down the mountain to the hut. As we headed back down through the snow-capped mountains, I started to reflect on the experience. Despite the wind, cloud and sub-zero temperatures, I couldn't help but find myself in awe of this beautiful natural landscape. I truly felt like I was in a winter wonderland. I felt grateful that I was able to have this experience and thankful our guide had kept us safe. Being in the mountains, especially in winter, can be unpredictable and weather conditions can change quickly. I think we did the right thing by turning back when we did, as visibility became poorer and poorer. Despite not completing the route, I had an amazing time and got to meet some incredibly cool people. I'll definitely be coming back here to explore more of this beautiful national park. Maybe next time in warmer conditions. I hope you enjoyed coming on this journey with me, and I'll see you in the next video.